If you've been using Windows 11 and you've been right-clicking, you may have discovered that it doesn't look the same as it used to and you don't get all of the same options. Let me show you how you can find the other options. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. If you find this tip useful, then please do like the video. And if you'd like to be notified as more videos become available, then please subscribe and click that notification bell. So here we are in Windows 11, and of course I have got File Explorer running. We are used to being able to right click and seeing a whole bunch of options, but now when you select the file and right click, you now get a much shorter list of options on screen. They are the most popular ones, so if the command that you want is there, all you need to do is use it. But what about all the commands that we had on previous versions of Windows? Where have they all gone? The good news is they've only been hidden, not removed. After you've right-clicked, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of this list where it says Show More Options. And as you click there, we now get the shortcut list that we're used to seeing with all of those options. Hope this quick tip has been helpful, and I will see you in the next video.